guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing an Hermes unboxing. So I have several items here. I'm so excited because once again I have stocked the website, so I am checking out something a specific color like the mint on the notebook cover. So I'm going to show you what I got, and I have two boxes here. So let me start with this one. So let me open this. Wow, I always love an Hermes packaging, guys. I always love how they package or they wrap your items. So I got this one on the website, and they wrap this one nicely with all the bubble wrap and all kinds of stuff, all the bubble wrap and everything. So I took this one out because the box that came with it, it's gigantic. So I just took all the items and it's here. So this is the first box. So look at that. Very nice. So to reveal, oh my gosh, look at that. Another addition to my collection, guys. Okay, so let me just put this box aside so we'll be able to see the item. So what I got here, this is a Ulysse PM notebook cover. So wow, look at that. Very nice. Wow. So this one is in color gold. So more likely, if you take a look at it, the camera is actually showing it's more of like in a brown color. But usually Hermes, they call this the brown. It's more likely they describe it as a gold color. Very nice. And also this one here, as you could tell, this one has this palladium plated Clou de Selle snap closure. Very nice. So you could see the engraved Hermes Paris right there. The snap closure is really nice. So let's open inside. So the inside is just like really plain like that. And it says here, Hermes Paris, made in France. This was engraved in silver, yeah. Really nice. And wow, this one is really soft and supple. Really nice. It has a really nice feel to it. It just feels so luxurious. Really nice. At the back, it also has this palladium rivets. Very nice. Wow. Really supple though. And also, as you can see up close, that the veins on this leather, and also it's very pronounced though. I really love that. Wow. And yeah, I really love it. Very pronounced. Very nice. So you can see how supple it is. How supple and really like flexible. It's just like that. So this is the Ulysse PM notebook cover, and I think this one retails for $250. So I have been actually stalking the website. I was hoping to get a color. I was hoping to get the mint color or something green, but unfortunately they didn't have it. I mean, I've been checking every single day, and they didn't have it. I only saw it on the passport cover, I guess. Yeah, so I'm not really looking for a passport cover at the moment, but I am looking for the cover. And by the way, guys, this one is, the leather is made up of Togo leather. Very nice. Wow, very soft. Very nice. For color comparison, as we could see the bulldog ribbon in here, this one is more of like really chocolatey brown. And that's the color comparison. Let me just look at my Louis Vuitton. I also have this one, the color comparison. So you guys will be able to see the color comparison. So yeah. So this is more of like a brown as well. So for reference, so if you wanted to get this, you have an idea what exactly the color for the cover. Okay, so moving on to the next item. The next one I have here. So this is just like a small unboxing though. Okay, so I have here the notebook refill. Oh, so this is, what is this? Oh, this is just the product information. So this is a notebook refill, guys. So as you can see, this one is lined. But I was like looking at the bottom. It looks like there's an unfinished line in here. I don't know what that is. So this one is made in France. Again, yeah, so this one retails, this is a size PM, so this one retails for $65. Wow, quite pricey for the notebook. I mean, well, it is what it is. This is $65. And so this one here, this is actually where you snap on the cover. So let me just take the cover and snap in here like this. Okay, so it's just so easy like that. So that's the cover, and then you can close it. So that's the notebook. I'm actually seeing some sort of like a, how they call that one, a stain right at the notebook. I don't know what that is. I mean, I don't know if my camera is picking up, but this one right here, it's sort of, there's like sort of a discoloration though. I don't know what that is. Let me see at the bottom. Yeah, it has those discoloration. I don't know what that is. I might probably gonna have to look on my other notebook, same as this, if it has those discoloration. It just kind of bothers me a little bit though. I don't know what that is. So yeah, this is my unboxing for the two items so far from Hermes, and I just love it. I just love it. Very nice. I mean, the Togo leather, it's so beautiful. It's amazing. So this one has a glazing right here at the bottom as well. So the glazing, they actually colored it. Yeah, it's in brown as well. Really nice. Very well done on the glazing. Wow. Wow. Very, very nice. The wrinkling and the vein were so pronounced. It was absolutely gorgeous. It looks very luxurious. It feels and looks luxurious. Very nice. And I also love the palladium here. It's a really nice touch to it. Very nice. So anyways, this is my unboxing for the Ulysse PM notebook cover. And as you guys probably have noticed, I have two packages here. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to open it and show it to you because this is actually a gift. So I'm just going to be giving this away to my friends in Christmas. So these are my gifts to them. And I just don't really want it to open it and just, I don't really know how to put all this ribbon, because this one actually wrapped nicely though. I don't even know, but those are really nice items that I got for them. And yeah, it's amazing. So I'm going to wish everybody a happy holiday, advance Merry Christmas to each one of us. And I hope you guys will be able to already got your gifts and presents for your loved ones. And if you are taking in consideration getting any of these, I think it's worth it. This is $250. And the cover, it's amazingly beautiful. The leather is amazingly beautiful. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I think this color though on the website is hard to come by. And also with the color, and I think an orange like this, the iconic color, those are the colors that are hard to come by. And I'm still looking for the mint color. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.